Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to give you an update on Dogwifhat. We're going to be going through WIF from a technical analysis standpoint, looking at it from a technical analysis standpoint, and then breaking down the chart together, looking at some very important buying areas and potential DCA levels if the chart is going to dump. And yeah, that will be the video today. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this lovely update for WIF. Now, as you can see, market cap currently sat at around $2.1 billion. Okay, 39th place in the race to the top here on CoinMarketCap. But the volume is doing something outstanding today. We're actually placed 16th in the leaderboard of cryptocurrencies right now. So that shows there's sort of a bullish sentiment right now here for WIF, and that is why we are seeing the chart actually see a little bit of a momentum to the upside, which we will go into very shortly. Okay, so over the last day we have seen around a 0.4% gain here for WIF, but what I would say is it's been a bit of a fluctuation, guys. We've come down, we've come back up, so this is sort of the break-even point where we're at right now. But on the day so far, we're currently up over the last sort of couple of hours or so, we are up quite a considerable amount. We've seen quite a nice pump here for WIF. As you can see, it has been roughly around 8%, nearly 10% to the upside here. So definitely bullish momentum there. The bulls are back to fight the bears, as you can see here. We're looking for a lovely level of support, which we have seen play out previously here when we did see this initial breakout scenario here, but we're referencing the longer term time frame here, guys, and some very important positions that we can be looking out for here. Before we go into that, guys, I did just want to say to you very briefly about a project that I'm going to leave the link in the description too. It's called Flockers. It's a brand new DAO. Okay, it's a decentralized application based around meme coins. Super interesting project. It's in a pre-sale phase. If you want to go check it out, you can. All the links are in the description. Definitely worth a look, guys. Definitely worth a look. A bit of alpha for you there. But yeah, without further ado, let's get carried on. Let's carry on with WIF here. So you can see here from ATH for WIF that we've got very strong lower highs being formed along this lovely trend line like so, right? Now, the fact that this has got some very intense resistance to the downside here, and the fact that we tested it here but didn't really feel it. We didn't feel it at all, and WIF just sort of exploded past that level of support, that level of resistance, and that is a very bullish sign, usually meaning that it has flipped to support, and we are seeing that coming through right now. Now, in terms of positions, in terms of getting involved with it, I probably would have liked to see a bit. I mean, it's not too bad. I'm kind of looking for this candle body close now. If we get a nice candle body close here on the daily or the 4-hour here, for WIF, just in this area around this sort of price, for me that's quite a nice long position. Okay, for around 9%, it should be quite an easy, probably 1-to-1 trade there. Definitely something to consider. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Do your own research. But you can see here that the retest here on the slower side is actually a really nice trade to be getting involved with. And if we are looking at it from more of a broader supporting stance here, you can see that test, support, test, support, aggressive momentum here as well there. We get this pretty much every time here that we come down and we test. Maybe not this time, but you can see it is pretty strong from this area. Okay, just taking an average of all the price action along that horizontal there. So definitely something that I wouldn't be missing out on here. I'm just waiting for that nice key entry point. Okay, now with that being said, that was the very super simple TA. One thing that I am looking out for here, guys, as well is momentum trend lines. You can see we've got very strong trend lines coming down like so, and also stochastic on the daily is pretty much at the lowest point as well. Oh, near enough. The lowest point's actually down here. So what we're sort of looking out for here, if WIF dumps another level here and it comes down like this with the stochastic, and the stochastic comes down to this the momentum comes down to this this momentum trend line as well, then it's very likely we see an aggressive bounce to the upside if all these things line up. And what do you know, that'll probably mean that the price will come back down to around 195, and then that gives us another entry here for a lovely long position up for around 23%. That's sort of what I'm looking out for here today on WIF, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, whether you think that WIF is bullish, bearish, or or you're just holding it from a spot perspective and what you think is going to happen over the next sort of 6 to 12 months or so. In terms of DCAing levels, just quickly before I end this video, I would be looking to DCA on the lower side of this channel. You can see obviously we did set a low in August here, but from there it has been quite progressive in terms of a micro uptrend here. Haven't broken macro lower highs just yet, but in terms of a nice buying area, this seems really, really strong, and I do see us having continuation to the upside from there. So that would be my DCA entry point for you guys as well. Okay, that's going to be it for me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Drop a like on it if you could. That would be amazing. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that, because we're uploading every single day here over on Crypto News. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out. I'll catch you in the next one.